Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube on the Apple Vision Pro. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing that we will need to know is that there isn't yet any YouTube application for Apple Vision Pro, but still, yet you can watch YouTube from the browser, means Safari on Apple Vision Pro. So basically, you will need just to have this home view, and to do so, you will need just to click on your digital crown. By clicking on the digital crown, it will show you the home view where you can access your applications. So here we will find the Safari application. Then you will need just to tap on Safari, and you will need just to start browsing. And another way to start and having the home view is by going to the control center. So basically you will need just to look at the top of the view. So basically when you are going to look up, you will find this icon. Then you will need just to click on these applications and it will spawn the home view. Then you will click on Safari and then you will need just to start browsing the net with Safari. So basically, using Safari is easy. At the top, you will start seeing the URL section or the URL input, and then you will need just like to search for YouTube, and then you will need just to click to enter so you can access the YouTube website. And of course, you can add it at the bookmark or you can check the history so you can find your YouTube website. So also you can add some quick website like they are as bookmarks, and then you can start your YouTube website and have it as a bookmark. And basically when you will start accessing your YouTube website, you will be able to start watching videos from YouTube. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.